care of Mammillaria Hahniana cactus. Hello YouTube friends. Today we're going to talk about a special type of cactus known as Mammillaria Hahniana. With their unique appearance and beautiful flowers, these cacti are among the most popular plants for home gardeners. Let's take a look together at the features, care methods, and important tips for Mammillaria Hahniana. Introduction and care of Mammillaria Hahniana cactus. The Mammillaria Hahniana cactus, scientifically known as Mammillaria hahniana, is a very beautiful and flowering cactus also known as the old lady cactus. This cactus is native to the warm and dry regions of South America, particularly Mexico. It is one of the common cacti seen in exhibitions and commercial centers due to its striking appearance. Mammillaria hahniana has various species that grow at elevations between 750 to 2200 meters above sea level. It features a spherical and cylindrical shape, reaching heights of about 50 cm and up to 60 cm tall. The old lady cactus is a spiny cactus belonging to the Cactaceae family with a surface covered in spines. It has 14 to 25 yellow to orange spines, with a few longer spines about 1.5 cm scattered across the cactus. The Mammillaria plant is resilient and is considered an ideal choice for plant and cactus enthusiasts. Cacti have a waxy coating on their surface to prevent water loss through transpiration. If you love keeping cacti at home, join Mirgan Cactus as we reveal the secrets to caring for this beautiful cactus. Proper watering. Watering depends on temperature, living conditions, and environmental factors, but try to reduce watering during the winter months and water again in the summer after the soil has dried out. Soil. It prefers alkaline soil, but a mix of compost sand and perlite can also be used for Mammillaria. Pre-made cactus soil available in stores is also suitable. Make sure the soil has good drainage. Light. Mammillaria grows outdoors but can also be cultivated indoors. Choose the brightest spot in your home. Avoid direct sunlight, especially in summer, as it can cause sunburn. The best place to keep these cacti in summer is behind south-facing windows, as the sunlight is very intense and direct sunlight can cause sunburn. The optimal temperature range for Mammillaria hahniana is between 15 to 35 degrees Celsius, but it can also withstand temperatures as low as -4 degrees Celsius. Keep the plant away from winter cold. Fertilization. Avoid fertilizing during the plant's winter dormancy. Use fertilizers with high potassium and low nitrogen in spring and summer, about once every 1 or 2 months, diluted in water. Blooming time. To encourage blooming, allow the cactus to go through a proper cold period and minimize watering. Blooming occurs in late winter and early spring. At the top of each column, flowers appear in shades of purple to pink, which are very beautiful and eye-catching. Propagation. For propagation, you can use seeds or cuttings. This cactus easily germinates and grows quickly. For cuttings in the summer, cut from the main stem or mother plant and plant it in sand. It is better to place the cuttings in the shade to dry before planting. Common problems. Common problems in caring for this cactus include root rot and pests. To prevent root rot, water the plant carefully. For pest control, use suitable natural or chemical insecticides. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.